Hi, I'm Public Affairs Specialist Stephanie Hirata with 5 fast things happening around the city you need to know. This week we start off our list with Hispanic Heritage Month at number 5. Mayor Ortega helped to kick things off by proclaiming September 15th through October 15th as Hispanic Heritage Month here in the city. Scottsdale was settled by and continues to be shaped by those of Hispanic heritage. So let's take this month to celebrate the histories, cultures, and contributions of Americans whose ancestors came from Hispanic countries. Next up at number 4, Vista del Camino's Healthy Pax program is back. This wonderful program provides meals to Scottsdale students who may have limited access to food over the weekends. Each Friday, teachers place bags of nutritious food and snacks into eligible children's backpacks. In the second half of last year's school year, the program provided more than 5,750 packs for more than 280 families. None of this would be possible without the ongoing partnership among Vista del Camino Food Bank, Scottsdale Community Partners, and the Scottsdale Unified School District. To find out more, visit scottsdalecommunitypartners.org and click on Programs. In our number 3 spot, trains are on the move at McCormick-Stillman Railroad Park. Construction began this week to relocate the historic Merci car, also known as the French Gratitude Train. The car was one of 49 gifted to the United States from France in 1949 for its help during and after World War II. Relocating the train will place it closer to the Scottsdale Railroad Museum, where other historical artifacts are on display. The project is expected to be completed by the beginning of October. To find out more about the Merci car on the Scottsdale Railroad Museum, visit therailroadpark.com. Our GIS team puts Scottsdale on the map in our number 2 spot. Esri is an international supplier of geographic information system software, and each year thousands of images are submitted to be featured at their annual International User Conference and published in their map book. This year is the 3rd year Scottsdale has been featured in the plenary session during the virtual conference, and the 6th time being published in the map book, giving our city and the GIS team some well-deserved international recognition. Way to go, GIS team! And at number 1, can't get enough Scottsdale in your life? Need another good podcast recommendation? Check out Shoptalk. Each month, Scottsdale Police Chief Jeff Walther and Public Information Officer Sergeant Kevin Kwan host a community chat and feature special community guests. The latest episode is a conversation with City Manager Jim Thompson. You can find Shoptalk on your favorite podcasting app. And that's our Fast 5 for this episode. I'm Stephanie Hirata, and I'll be back next in 2 weeks with 5 more things you need to know. See you next time.